Happy Tuesday. I will upload this on a Wednesday. I have free time before I go to work. After I film this, I'm gonna do my review on cup holder car table trays, a $40 one and a $20 one. I'll get my food at CFA. Shot of the van. I want to give some shout outs here. First shout out is to someone I've known for more than 10 years now, Lambdog76. He was a friend from my old YouTube life. It's nice to see you on my newer YouTube life. I've actually been on this channel for almost 10 years now, but it's nice to see you here, buddy. Another shout out I want to give is to Slugbo Chowdery. I'm going to link these channels. I'm gonna pin them in the comments section. He just got a van. And then another one I want to give is to Overland Adventure Vanimal. So I noticed your van has a light bar like mine. My light bar is from my last van build. I bought it like 8 or 9 years ago. It was $176 from Off-Road Warehouse. And a lot of people ask me about this because front end enhancements for 40 Econolines are expensive. Like an Illumina's bumper is like $2,000, so like less than $180. Unfortunately, it was discontinued. So where did you get yours? So if you're interested in a light bar like this, check out Overland Adventure Vanimals page, his channel. He has a light bar similar to this. So shout out to a subscriber, to a friend that I've known for more than 10 years now, and 2 new subscribers. It's always cool to see new people in the comments, and it's cool to see Lambdog76 in the comments and join me on this channel. Let me set my camera down here. You know, my last YouTube life, I really enjoyed it a lot, but I hated what the community became. That's why, you know, I never explained to people why I just left. But you know, in my real life, I don't have many real life friends. And the real life friends that I do have, they don't have the same hobbies that I do. So I always enjoyed YouTube and enjoyed making friends on YouTube. A couple of my friends from my older YouTube life, like I said, this channel's old too. It's almost 10 years old, but a lot of them went to this channel and joined me on my journey here. And when I started this channel, for the first year or two, I barely had any comments, but it was my friends who helped me keep this channel afloat. I always said if I have one person commenting, my channel is a success, because at least one person is entertained by what I do. So I wanted to make this video because you know, Lambdog76 stopped by, has been stopping by lately. I want to say hi to new subscribers. If you're a new subscriber and you don't leave comments, leave comments. I enjoy the comments. I enjoy making friends on here. That's what I enjoy most about YouTube, is talking to like-minded people. But on Christmas Day, it's a long video, I don't want to talk about too long, but on Christmas Day I was venting my frustrations about work, and I thought I was going to get fired. There's a possibility I'll get fired, and I didn't care. And Roy, he left me a comment and said, imagine if you put 70 hours into your YouTube channel instead of work, if you got, you know, if I got fired. And it got me thinking, so I talked about it. Roy, he inspires me a lot. Roy makes me think a lot. So I talked about that. And then Lambdog76 chimed in on the comments. And you know what? Sometimes you guys have more confidence in me than I do, because Lambdog76 thinks I could become successful on here. You know, when I was talking about putting 70 hours into my channel, I never looked at it like I'm going to make YouTube my job. I look at it like, all right, if I get fired, who cares? You know, I don't care at this point. Fire me. I'm going to take free time. I'm going to enjoy my free time. I'm going to visit with a bunch of YouTube friends. I'm going to go out on adventures. I'm going to let you guys know, hey guys, I got fired. Where's the adventure at? And at the same time, I'll just stack my channel with content, spend a bunch of hours on my YouTube channel. But I never looked at it like I was gonna make a bunch of money on YouTube. I'm very, very blessed that I make money on YouTube. I never thought I would make a penny on YouTube. I just wanted to talk about my cars. And then, you know, it was my old van videos. I was doing van videos before it got popular. And my old van videos is where I make most of my YouTube income. That's what made my channel grow. So, you know, it's kind of like my golden watch, my old videos. But I do okay with my newer videos. They're starting, some of my current van videos are starting to pick up, like my old van videos. But like I said, I had never expected to make a penny on here. And whatever income I make on here, I'm just grateful of. So that was the plan. I was just going to enjoy some time off, meet up with friends, just relax, enjoy life, and stack my channel. I never looked at it like I was going to make it a job, but you know, Lambdog76, I've always respected the guy. He's a very smart guy, and his advice, his feedback always meant a lot to me. So for Lambdog to tell me, like, you know, you got potential, like, you know, that boosted my YouTube self-esteem a lot. So I wanted to talk about YouTube a little more. You know, I enjoyed my previous YouTube life, my channel where I made friends like Lambdog and Jose PhD, John. John would probably be the first person I would visit if I got fired. But I just hated what that community became. It became a bunch of e-beggars. And here's the thing, the van RV community is full of e-beggars too, but I feel like there's a big difference. My subscribers have become the car enthusiast van guys. That was my gimmick for this van. I'm the car enthusiast van guy, and this channel has attracted that demographic. I got the idea for an enthusiast van meet 2 years ago. One of my subscribers, he got his van lifted, action van suspension. He was near San Clemente, and he told me he has his van build going and he has nowhere to go. And I told him, listen man, you're in California, next time I go camping, how about you tag along, just follow me. We both have vans, we could hang out a little bit, I'll show you the ropes, I'll show you where you could go. After we hang out, you got your house on wheels, man, we could part ways. Meet up, do a quick meetup. I always joke around, if you're kind of an introvert with extrovert tendencies, the van life road trip hobby, the adventure hobby is the perfect hobby, because you could hang out with a bunch of people, and when you get tired of them, just go in your van. You know, it's perfect. Because I'm kind of an introvert myself, but I'm also an extrovert. I do enjoy being around good people. So that's where I got the idea for a van meet. And then Holdfast, when I announced it, Holdfast said, I'm game. So the guy who inspired me to do the van meet disappeared. Holdfast saw him in the Sport Mobile forum and said the guy sold his van. I hope the guy's doing good and it wasn't sold because, you know, there's financial hardship. Maybe the hobby just wasn't for him. But Holdfast was the first participant in the first annual Enthusiast Van Meet. And now I got 7 people interested in this. So here's what I was thinking. Like I said, my friend Roy, he gets me thinking a lot. He gives me more of an entrepreneurial mind. I don't even say that word right, but he does. So like I said, I never had a vision. I never had a mission or goal for this channel. I just always said, I'm going to talk about my cars. I'm going to talk about my van. When I get a new car, I'll talk about it. I'll talk about life a little bit. And whatever money I make on here is just bonus money for me. But now I'm thinking sponsors. Let's say the van meet pools 7 people. Let's say all 7 people interested show up. I know 4 of us have lifted vans. So 4 lifted vans, a couple of vans thrown in, Jose PhD's Corolla. Jose PhD is going to be the normal guy in a Toyota Corolla sleeping in a tent. We're sleeping in our vans. But let's say 4 lifted vans show up. My friend, he wants to get into the van life hobby too, but he's going to go different. He's going to go minivan. So let's say a couple lifted vans, Corolla minivan in there, maybe another van thrown in there. Roy, I'm going to keep peer pressuring you. If you lift your van, we're going to have 5 lifted vans here. But let's say we all show up. It's going to be a nice visual, all right? It's going to look like something special is going on here. So this is what I'm going to say. My intention for the van meet is just to get good people with cool vans getting out there, enjoying life, going camping. And when we do that, we're supporting the local economy because we're eating in whatever town we hang out in. So it's very positive stuff. But how about this? See, some of you may be a lot smarter than me, and I'm pretty sure all of you are smarter than me. So if you got a better business mind than me, and you got a YouTube channel, you do this van meet, get sponsors. You might be a better salesperson than me. Get sponsors. I know what I want. Like I said, my friend, he wants to do van camping in a different way. He wants to do it in a minivan. So you know what I want? You know what I want to pull off? I want to get a rooftop tent for him, free of charge. So this van meet, let's say 7 people show up. I'm going to contact rooftop tent companies. I'm going to show them our videos. Say, look, we got something going here. We're the Enthusiast van guys. We go out, we go camping, we go out on ventures, we support the local economy. We're doing good things with our lives. There are people in our genre. I'm starting to find them. You guys are showing up in the comments, and even if you're new to my channel, you're welcome to join this van meet. Let's grow it to 20. You know, I'm thinking big here. Let's go 20. I went from 7 to 20. Where did I get 20 from? I don't know. I'm just thinking big. But let's grow this thing. And like I said, all I want is a rooftop tent for my buddy. And if I pull it off, hey man, I want to film it. Let me film it. That's all I want. I want to do a review on rooftop tents. See, I'm going to stack my channel with content. But yeah, man, that's what I'm thinking. I never thought like this before. All I thought was I'm going to talk about my stuff, make a few extra bucks, and I'm happy. Now I'm thinking big. People like Roy, people like Lambdog76, you guys get me thinking big. And if you guys could capitalize on what I'm doing, you know, if you guys do the van meet, you got a channel, you could capitalize on what I'm doing, do it. I want you guys to do well in life. And that's why I'm enjoying this community a lot, and that's why, you know, my last YouTube life, I enjoyed the time, it was good, but it just became a bunch of e-beggars. Like I said, the van and RV community has a bunch of those, but I like to think that I tapped into a different genre here. I'm tapping into the blue-collar people, the people who work hard, the people who enjoy the van itself. You know, a lot of people with the van, they're doing it for the destination. Part of the fun for me is having a van that looks like this, something that looks cool. And you people are showing up in the comments. Like I said, if you're new to my channel and you're hearing about this van meet coming in March, you're free to join us. You want to contact me? My Instagram is the same as my YouTube account, John Drives Anything. If you want to email me, automotivevlog@gmail.com. So there's a little chit chat here before I go to work. I got like 2 hours before work, actually. See, this is my operation. You know, peak season's over, the crazy hours are over, so now I have some free time here. Tomorrow's my bench press day. But, you know, I got some extra hours here, so I'm going to take some time to chit-chat with you guys. And then I'm going to film some reviews here, then head to work. Alright, everyone. Lambdog76. Nice to see you in the comments again, buddy. I really appreciate the vote of confidence. Van life. This guy's like, why is this guy filming me? Roy, man, you get me thinking more than anyone else. And new people like Slugbo and Overland Adventure Vanimal. It's nice to see you guys in the comments. And like I said, check out Overland Adventure Vanimal. I might be getting his username wrong, but like I said, I'll pin it. He has a light bar like me. I don't think it's an ORW because these have been discontinued for a long time now. Alright, everyone, have a great and safe day. I am just gonna cross the street to get my food.